Good morning, class 7 students. Students, today we are going to revise chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is How the State Government Works. So let's start with the question answers. First question is, use the term constituencies and represent to explain who an MLA is and how is the person elected. Students, the answer is MLA is the member of Legislative Assembly who represent people and also forms the government. First point is each state has a legislative assembly. Every state has a legislative assembly. Second is each state is divided into different areas or constituencies. Third, from each constituency, the people elect one representative who then becomes a member of Legislative Assembly. And the fourth point is MLA is elected by the people who contest an election by voting. Question number 2. How did some MLAs become ministers? Explain. Students, the answer is after the election, a political party whose MLA has won more than half number of constituencies in a state becomes a ruling party. First one, MLA belonging to the ruling party will elect their leaders who will become a chief minister. Second point is the chief minister then select other people as ministers. And the third, the governor of the state then appoint the chief minister and other ministers. Question number 3. Why should the decision taken by the chief minister and other ministers be debated in the legislative assembly? Students, the answer is in a democratic government, because our country government is a democratic government. Participant is important from each and every section. Thus, whenever decisions are being taken, have to be approved by the member of the Legislative Assembly. Third point is these members then ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent. And the fourth point is after that they have the main authority to finalize the decision. Question number 4. What are the problems of Patlapuram? What are the problems of Patlapuram? What discussions, actions should be taken by the following? Fill the table. Public meetings. First is public meeting, legislative assembly, press conference, chief ministers. Students, the main problem of Patlapuram, lack of proper sanitations and hygiene needs. Second problem is scarcity of clean drinking water, not proper medical facilities, and spread of diseases. Action is public meeting, demand for improvement of healthcare and sanitation facilities for the officials. Legislative assemblies intended to supply drinking water to every village through tankers, trucks, and also explain the steps the government has taken, collection of garbages. Press conference organized by the health ministers, newspapers and the media widely discuss the issue. They can discuss the issue and the government has to respond by holding a press conference. Chief minister can visit a Patlapuram district. They went to visit the families who had lost their relatives and also visited people in the hospital. Question number 5. What is the difference between the work of that MLA do in the assembly and the work done by the government departments? Students, the answer is the act of making law on certain issues is done by the MLA in the legislative assemblies, of each state, while the implementation of these laws is done by the various government departments. So government departments helps in implementing the laws which are made by the MLAs in the legislative assemblies. Second is, whatever work is done by the government department has to be approved. The government department, whatever they work do, has to be approved by the members of the legislative assembly or the MLAs. Students, I have done the revision of chapter number 3, how the state government work. Students, please start learning this chapter. Thank you.